For legal reasons, I can only print tolerance-cheeking props. All final pieces have been printed and assembled outside my country. Owning customized airguns is not illegal in my country, only to make them. Welcome to the GK1 Perfected instructional video. This is a grip mod that reduces the overall length of the pistol, adds a quick rear stock assembly system, and incorporates a power set dial on the go. The new grip changed the point of balance, so the pistol feels now less heavy on the hand and can aim quickly. To use my mod, you will need two external things: a shorter bolt, the same diameter as the original, and a small, cheap 3mm Allen key. Cut the metal Allen key. Is better if is made in cheap-ass iron and not steel. You must cut the Allen key in 4.5 centimeters large, or 1.75 inches, and 1 centimeter horizontal, or 0.4 inch. It does not need to be exact. Play a little with the dial hole so the Allen key goes smooth. First of all, print all the pieces. I made various options, different parts. You only have to print one of every number. I also add some extra supports options for those of us that have cheap-ass printers, that then to trowel the supports off the building plate. Always play a little with the parts. Make sure everything moves and fits smoothly. Sand file and post-process if you need to. Remove the original handle and trigger guard. Remove also the small bolt that connects the firing rod with the trigger. Screw that bolt to the 3D trigger connector rod from the side with the wider hole to carve the grooves. Remove it and screw it on the left side of the firing rod. Leave that for the moment. Put the plastic spring piece on the dial and introduce the mounted dial inside the grip. You must now match the grooves of the indicator with the entry space of the dial inside the grip. Use a power limiter if you need to. I will use the 1.5 revolution limiter to comply with my local airgun laws. Lower the indicator to the minimum. The pistol regulator has to be also in the minimum power. The dial goes up to 4.5 revolutions. You should reach max power with no problem from that. Ensemble the dial and attach the base with the provided plastic bolt. Now, put the trigger inside the trigger guard from the upper part. You will notice a groove channel that matches. Close the trigger guard with the trigger plate and check that it clicks in position and is in level. Ensemble carefully the grip. You must place the trigger connector piece inside the empty space, rear the trigger guard. Rotate a little the dial so the Allen hex cap fits into the gun regulator. Don't force anything, it should go smooth. Screw the metal bolt on the talon of the grip attaching the two components together. It should end firmly in place with no play at all. Lastly, align the trigger connector hole with the trigger guard holes and push the plastic bolt. Rotate it so it seals in place. Congratulations, now your GK1 have been perfected. If the trigger rattles a little, you can use a bit of tape on the back of it, but it shouldn't be a problem. Trigger pull is just a bit larger and softer. Adjust the resistance screws so you can feel the second stage and all is at your liking. I will release the adjustable rear stock for the mod soon.